Hello everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating Cosmos database in Azure. In this guide, we will delve into the seamless integration of a powerful database solution in the cloud. Whether you are building a new application or modernizing an existing one, this guide will provide you with the essential steps and best practices to get started with Azure Cosmos DB. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. Alright, now let's talk about Azure Cosmos DB. Azure Cosmos DB is like a supercharged database that can handle huge amount of data and traffic lightning fast. It's designed to be super reliable and scalable, meaning it can grow with your needs without slowing down. You can think of it like a super powered storage system that can handle all sorts of data from text to images to numbers and lets you access it from anywhere in the world really quickly. Now let's look at the objective of doing this lab. The objective of creating a Cosmos DB in Microsoft Azure is to provide a globally distributed multi-model database that is designed to allow applications to scale and manage data across various regions seamlessly. Now, in order to perform this lab, let's consider a scenario. Quick Shop is a fictional online retailer who seeks to upgrade its data infrastructure to support its growing customer base and provide a smooth shopping experience. They need a reliable, scalable, and efficient database solution to handle various aspects of their business operation. With a global customer base and a need for low latency access to product catalogs, user profiles, and shopping cart data, regardless of location, they opted to implement Cosmos DB. So, these are the requirements for setting up a fictional online retailer shop that securely provides seamless shopping experience and stores its customers' data using Azure Cosmos DB. Now, this setup ensures that data remains safe and is accessible easily, providing fast and reliable access whether it's for retailer in shops or customers via mobile apps. You can pause the video and take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab. You can unlock exclusive content and demonstration of this lab by attending our demo on creating Cosmos DB, where we'll show you how companies can store their data and enhance their scalability using Cosmos database. You can explore these tools in depth by visiting our website.